respond to some questions that I keep getting about the 30 on 30 project. One of the things that I keep hearing over and over, I'm so excited about this project, and I'm so excited there's a lot of buzz about it. One thing I keep getting a lot of responses for that I certainly wanted to respond to is why? Like, why did you start this project? So the 30 on 30 projects, the idea started very simply. My brother was turning 18, and we were actually preparing like a big deal for him. We were preparing a party, and through it all, he sort of, with very much swag and confidence, he turned to me and said, I think that on my birthday, you should probably give somebody else a gift. And out of the mouth of babes, right? So I thought it was such a great idea, and I thought, why not? Like, why not celebrate your birthday by honoring someone else? And so for my 30th birthday, I turned 30 on April 30th. So excited. I thought, like, what better way than to really give the money back to a community? And when I was looking at different projects that I was thinking about supporting, during that time I went to a conference in Ithaca, and I was talking to other young professionals who are working on similar issues that I'm working on, and one of the things that they had a similar problem with was hunger, food shortages. I live in upstate New York right now, serving an AmeriCorps Vista year of service, and during this conversation, one of the things that they were coming up with some really great ideas about how to sort of, help families who are going hungry. And one of the solutions they had was very simple. They said build a community garden. Many of you know I know nothing about community gardens. I know really nothing about planting whatsoever. But it seemed like such a great solution. So I did a bunch of research and I started getting people together. And right now we're in the planning stages of getting a community garden here in Seneca County. And I'm so excited because I've learned a tremendous amount. I'm getting with local food pantries. I'm getting with the faith community. I'm getting with other groups so that we can all build this garden together, and it'll really be a collaborative effort where different folks who are working with families, who are volunteers, everybody's working together so we can get this community garden started. And I'm really, really excited. So I decided that on my 30th birthday, I would raise $3,000, and the money would go to support the community garden here in Seneca County. So if I'm reaching out to my friends, my family members, to people who love me, and really know about what I've done, personally, and all the work that I've done to help and support our community here in San Antonio and in Seneca County, to check out marissagarcia.com. There are different ways that you can give. There's different ways you can support the project. I, love and, appreciate all the comments that I've received, and I just think it's a great opportunity, and I'm so excited about being 30. So check out marissagarcia.com or follow my fan page on Facebook, and we'll keep in touch. Thanks so much.